Now we're going to start looking at a runtime error and how to debug that. So if you open up the debug.py, and then we can start looking at the code. So it's simple enough, it's 1, 2 and 3, and then a fourth option in which the user puts in a value of their own. And then we've got the total, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, or the values thereupon, and then we print the total out. So it's very simple, and as you can see, Python has shown us an error here. Not Python, sorry, Eclipse has shown us this error. However, if we run this error, you'll notice that it doesn't actually get called upon as being a syntax error. This is what we call a runtime error, because it's not an actual error with the code as such. There's nothing wrong with the code. It's something in which you only will notice when it's actually running through the code, and therefore it's an error upon runtime. And so if we put in the extra value as being 5 and press enter, you'll see we get something called a traceback. Now a traceback is where it gives us a list of where all of the occurrences of this problem might occur. And because it's only going to occur once here, it shows us that it's in line 6. And so it shows us also that there's a name error, and the name second, or second, which is what is typed in as there, is not defined. And so if we go back here and change the lettering around, and then run it again put the value of 5 in there, you'll see now that we're getting something which is called a type error. Now this is another one, and the reason for this is simply because I typed the 5 in there by accident a second ago. Save that again and run it, and you'll see now that we get another one for unsupported operand, which is this plus string. So what we need to do is put this as an integer. And to do that, just put int around the word and run it again. And we get the value of 16 being outputted, which is 4 plus 5, which is 9, plus 2, which is 11, plus 5 is 16. And so, as you can see, it's working properly now. The reason why we have to put int around here is because we're getting input from the user, and it's always going to be interpreted as a string. And so we have to convert it to an integer, otherwise you can't add in a number to a string, it doesn't work. So thank you for watching, that's how you fix runtime errors, and I will see you soon.